wadhi nyime kod weche manyien kama thoth obila pod odak e udi ma ok longo. Magegi kod Inspector General mar obila Douglas Kanja e kinde mane ochiwo ler e nyim komiti mar od bura ma ochung'ne weche udi. Oyango ni mana 20% mag obila e modak e udi manyiso nyadhi ka osingo ni gedo mag ute makare mag obila biro rumo machiegni.
The National Police Service has approximately 20,000 institutional housing units across the country against a workforce of about 100,000 police officers. This translates to a deficiency of about 80,000 housing units, meaning that less than half of the officers are accommodated within the existing police housing facilities. Even with shared occupancy, arrangements, only a small proportion of the officers get accommodated in these units, forcing the majority to seek alternative housing, often located several kilometers away from their duty stations. Regrettably, many of these houses have deteriorated due to inadequate maintenance and delayed renovations, adversely affecting the welfare and living standards of officers who occupy them.
Moving forward, we have the service has submitted a proposal for the construction of 18,662 institutional houses that primarily that is within Nairobi, an additional 547 units which are currently constructed in Nairobi. This will ease the housing issues within Nairobi that has affected the output of the police, especially in the service delivery. Additionally, Chair, 480 housing units across the country are currently stalled, and the State Department of Housing has initiated the advertisement of the new construction. However,
houses stalled?
480.
480?
Yes.
Within just KPS?
Yes.
Okay.
We are proposing that, given the fact that the repairs and the state of this housing is of a serious concern, we propose that the service retains the contribution to support the maintenance of expansion of offices if this is allowed, because this is where the wearer of the shoe knows